have a Ford Flex here. Customer bring in the car. Complaint was sometime it starts, sometime it doesn't. Thought it was the fuel pump, but it's not. Found out it was the fuel pump control module. Here is the part number for the fuel pump control module, and here's how it looks like. And it's going to be located on the C pillar. Now this one's located on the right side, and here is the fuel pump control module. Here's the cover. It's only one bolt and 3 clips. Just pull it out. There's 2 10s holding on to it. Now this is the original one, and part number. We got the new part in. Reconnect the connector. Now let's see if the car starts. And it's good. So there's no chickens in light at the time right now. That's it, guys. So like my video, comment anything you want to ask. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible, and subscribe, guys. Thank you.